Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at operators. Dead simply, the operators are equals, plus, minus, multiply and divide. That simple really. There are more operators than that, but there's no point going into them quite yet on this video. We'll do some of the more advanced ones later on. And you use them very, very simply. So if we were to start off with a variable x, remember from our last video, we can put any variable name and we can assign using equals any value. So if I were to do 5 plus 5 and then print x, that should actually give me, when I press F5, the number 10. As you can see, it's come out on the shell, the number 10. It's so simple. It's really nothing else to it. Obviously, if I change that to a times and run it, I get 25. Obviously, if I minus it, you can see we get 0. And if I divide it, there we go, I get 1.1. You'll notice that that actually changed to a decimal data type when I did division. But there we go. That is how simple operators are in Python. There's nothing much to them really. Now, just before I finish though, what I will do is I'll show that we can actually keep doing multiple sums. So we might decide to create another one called y, and we can say y is equal to x plus 10 of 10. So let's do 5 times 6, and then we can print y. And as you can see, it does 30, and then it adds 10, and it does 40. It's dead simple. You can just keep playing around with the variables. And then, of course, we can do z is equal to x plus y. And then we can print z, and you'll see again, we get a different number. We get the number 70. So it's really simple operators. They are exactly like just very basic maths. The only difference between programming and regular maths is that you put the actual equals before the sum, and that's just so that it can remember what variable it's putting into it. I said really, really simple, these things, and we'll go into some more advanced operators later on, but I just wanted to show you the very basic operators for this video.